Hey guys, I'm teacher Omar. Welcome to my classroom. In our last video, we talked about other people. In this video, we want to focus on groups of people. Let's begin. Before we start, let's review some vocabulary. I am a teacher. My coffee smells good. They are students. Their coffee smells good. You are the Perez family. Your eggs are beautiful. And to review from our previous class, we don't say the juice of Maria, we say Maria's juice. We won't say the banana of Manny, we'll say Manny's banana. They are the Dubois family. Their last name is not Perez. They are from France. This is their child. His name is Enzo. Enzo's dog's name is Paco. Their last name is Usman. They are from Nigeria. This is Econ and Dola. These are their children. Their names are Obi and Sade. Hey, you're the Jensen family. You're from the Netherlands. What are your children's names? Hey, you're the Kelly family. You're from California. How are you guys? They are not the Cano family. Their last name is Eriksson. They are from Sweden. You're the Martinez family. It's so good to see you. Your baby is cute. What's his name? Now it's your turn to practice. So, which family is it? Is it family A? Is it family B? Or is it family C? Which family is from Ecuador? That's right. Family B is from Ecuador. Which family's last name is Martinez? That's right. Family A's last name is Martinez. Which family's children's names are Even and Mike? That's right. Family C's children's names are Even and Mike. Now you answer the questions. What's their dog's name? What's their last name? Nice. What are their children's names? Their children's names. Great. Where are they from? Awesome. Now, I will give you the answer. You ask the question. They are the Garcia family. What's the question? Who are they? Their dog's name is Milo. Ask the question. Nice. They are from Colombia. Ask the question. Great.
Who are you guys?
We are the Arenas family.
Where are you from?
We are from Argentina.
What are your children's names?
Our children's names are Marco and Lucia. Good to see you. What's your last name?
Our last name is Johnson.
Let me look. Here you are. Where are you from, by the way?
We are from Canada.
Oh, nice. And you have beautiful children. What are your children's names?
Thank you. Our children's names are Candy and Robert.
Nice. Great job, guys. With what we learned today, we can talk about groups of people, introduce other families to other people, and ask others for this information. I think you can do it. Let's try it. Hey, are you the Garcia family?
Yes, we are.
What's your name, sir?
And my name is Ramon.
Oh, great. And where are you from?
We are from Colombia.
Awesome. And what are your children's names?
Their names are Andrea and Gabriel.
It was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Great, guys. This is all we've got for today. We hope you enjoyed it. If so, share, like, and subscribe. This will help other people who want to improve their English find this content. If you have any questions about English or an observation you'd like to make, let us know. Leave us a comment. We'd love to read you and answer you in an upcoming video. Please follow us on our social media accounts at Classes with Omar. Bye for now.